Hello, students. Today we will study next point from this chapter, preparation of amines. There are total 6 methods given for the preparation of amines. We will study one by one in detail. So first method is by ammonolysis of alkyl halide. We know alkyl halide have general formula Rx. When treated with ammonia, then it gives first primary amine. If excess of alkyl halide is used, then it gives the secondary amine, then tertiary amine, and finally quaternary ammonium salt. So when alkyl halide is heated with alcoholic solution of excess ammonia, it undergoes nucleophilic substitution, that is SN type of reaction, in which halogen atom is replaced by NH2 group, that is amino group, and forms primary amine. This process of breaking of CX bond by ammonia, it is called as a ammonolysis. So what is ammonolysis? The process of breaking of CX bond, that is a carbon halogen bond, by ammonia, it's called as a ammonolysis. And the reaction is also known as alkylation of ammonia. The reaction is carried out in sealed tube at 373 Kelvin, and the primary amine obtained in the first step is a stronger nucleophile than ammonia. Hence, it further reacts with alkyl halide and forms secondary amine, then tertiary amine, and finally quaternary ammonium salt. If NH3, that is ammonia, is not used in large excess, that is, for this we have to use excess amount of alkyl halide, then we will get a mixture of primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine, and finally quaternary ammonium salt. So general equation is, we know Rx is a general formula for alkyl halide. When react with NH3, that is ammonia, in alcoholic medium, excess quantity of ammonia is used. When this mixture is heated, we get RNH2, and RNH2 is general formula for primary amine. The order of reactivity of alkyl halide with ammonia is in this order. Alkyl iodide react faster than bromide than chloride, that is Ri greater than Rbr greater than RCl. This is order of reactivity of this alkyl halides. Then next is second preparation method. Here the second preparation method is a reduction of nitro compounds. These nitro compounds are a reduction of nitro compounds. Nitro compounds means NO2 group containing compounds. So here this aliphatic and aromatic nitro compounds can be reduced to primary amine by using metal acid mixture, that is maybe tin and HCl, or iron and HCl, or zinc and HCl. So this type of any metal with hydrochloric acid can be used as a catalyst. Similarly, we can use catalytic hydrogenation, that is by using nickel, platinum, or palladium with hydrogen gas, or lithium aluminum hydride and ether as a catalyst. So best catalyst for this reaction is SN and HCl, that is a tin and hydrochloric acid. We know general formula for nitroalkane is RNO2. When treated with SN and HCl, then 6 nascent hydrogen take part in the reaction. Out of 6 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen react with this nitrogen and give RNH2. Remaining 4 hydrogen react with 2 oxygen of NO2 group and gives 2H2O as a side product. So this is reduction of nitro compounds. So we get amines here as aliphatic or aromatic amine that depends upon the nature of R group used in nitro compounds. Method number 3 for the preparation of amines is a reduction of alkyl cyanide. We know alkyl cyanide are also called as alkane nitriles. This alkyl cyanide have general formula RC triple bond N. So primary amines can be obtained by the reduction of alkyl cyanide with sodium and ethanol, and this reaction is well-known reaction called as a Mendius reduction. So what is a Mendius reduction? When this alkyl cyanide is reduced using sodium and ethanol, we get primary amine, and this reduction is called as a Mendius reduction. The reaction can also be brought about by using LiAlH4, that is lithium aluminium hydride. The general equation is Rc triple bond N is alkyl cyanide or alkane nitrile. When treated with sodium and ethanol or lithium aluminium hydride, then it gives 4 nascent hydrogen which are added across carbon nitrogen triple bond, and this carbon nitrogen triple bond becomes a single bond and it forms RCH2 NH2. It is a primary amine. This is Mendius reduction. Then method number 4 for the preparation of amines is method number 4 for the preparation of amine is by reduction of amide. We know amides have general formula RC double bond O NH2. So amide contain carbonyl group as well as NH2 group. So here primary amines having the same number of carbon atoms can be obtained by reduction of amides. Here reducing agent can be used as lithium aluminium hydride in ether or sodium metal in alcohol. So amide here particular example is taken. Here R group is taken as a CH3. So CH3 C double bond ONH2 is acetamide. Again by using sodium and ethanol or lithium aluminium hydride in ether gives 4 nascent hydrogen and which reduces this C double bond O group into CH2 group, and we get primary amine here CH3, CH2 and H2 is ethylamine or ethanamine. This is method number 4 for the reduction. By reduction of amides, we get primary amine. Then fifth method, it is one of the important method, and the name of this method is given to that of scientists who discovered this reaction, that is a synthesis of primary amine using this phthalimide called as a Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. This method is used for synthesis of primary amine and it involves 3 stages. Stage number 1. Here the formation of potassium salt of phthalimide from phthalimide on reaction with alcoholic potassium hydroxide. This is step number 1. Here the formation of this potassium salt of phthalimide from phthalimide by reaction with alcoholic KOH. That is a step number 1. Then formation of N-alkyl phthalimide from potassium salt of phthalimide by reaction with alkyl halide. That is a second step. What is the second step? When alkyl halide react with this potassium phthalimide or the potassium salt of phthalimide, then it gives N-alkyl phthalimide. That is a second step. And third step is alkaline hydrolysis of N-alkyl phthalimide from to form the corresponding primary amine. These are the three steps. So we will study these three steps with particular example. Here, the first step is this formula for phthalimide is formula of phthalimide is benzene ring bonded with C double bond O, C double bond O, NH. In the presence of alcoholic KOH, loss of H2O take place and formation of potassium salt of phthalimide take place. So here benzene ring containing C double bond O, C double bond O. Here hydrogen atom is replaced by K, that is a potassium, and it is a potassium salt of phthalimide. So that is a step number 1. In the second step, this potassium salt of phthalimide is treated with alkyl halide. Then here the halide and K that react give KX as a side product, that is eliminated, and the alkyl group is substituted at the position of potassium. We get N-alkyl phthalimide. So this is structure for N-alkyl phthalimide. Then same this N-alkyl phthalimide is undergo hydrolysis using aqueous NaOH, that is aqueous alkali, and we get main product as RNH2, that is a primary amine, and the side product is sodium phthalate or sodium salt of phthalic acid. So aromatic amines cannot be prepared by this method because aryl halide do not undergo nucleophilic substitution with anion formed by phthalimide. So that is the reason. So this is important preparation method. The structure is large for the phthalimide, but it is very simple reaction. First hydrogen replaced by potassium, then potassium replaced by alkyl group, and finally this alkyl group and nitrogen with hydrogen, it forms the primary amine. So that is the preparation called as a Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. Sixth and the last method for the preparation of primary amine is Hofmann degradation. It is also called as a Hofmann rearrangement or Hofmann bromamide degradation, or also called as a Hofmann hypobromite degradation. This is a good laboratory method for the conversion of amide into primary amine. So amide can be converted into primary amine. Here the loss of one carbon atom take place, that is carbon in the form of carbonyl group, that is given out as a carbonate, as a potassium carbonate. So one carbon is less than the corresponding amide. Before this, we had studied one of the method for the preparation of primary amine from amide, in that the carbon number remains the same in amide and amine, but in this method, one carbon is less than corresponding amide. So general formula of amide is RC double bond O NH2 when treated with bromine and aqueous KOH, 4 molecules. When this mixture is heated directly, we get this R group and NH2 group as RNH2, that is a primary amine. Side product is 2 kBr plus K2CO3 plus 2H2O. So from amide, we get primary amine containing 1 carbon less. Here particular example, R group is taken as a CH3. So CH3 C double bond ONH2 is acetamide when treated with bromine and KOH. Then it gives CH3NH2 is a methylamine or methanamine, and side product is KBr, then K2CO3 and 2H2O. So overall result for the removal of carbonyl group from the amide, as the product contains 1 carbon atom less than the original amide, so it is a step down reaction. When carbon atom is decreasing in the reaction, then it is called as a step down reaction. So that is about the preparation methods of amines. Thank you.